I have been struggling to understand in the case of Vinson Ariste how the prosecution, looking at a set of confessions that occurred during the same time period, could draw as a logical conclusion to stop all the cases based on these confessions, except the most serious one, which is for murder, and that they would also not review the one case where the man had already been convicted. The second trial happened in 2016. This matter did not go to the Privy Council before 2021. Why did it need to go to the Privy Council? Why did it need a full hearing before the Privy Council? Why was the prosecution content to wait another 2 years for the Privy Council's decision? So here we get to the conclusion of the case. And I think it's very important to hear what the Privy Council said. We cannot conclude this judgment without expressing the board's deep concern about what has happened in this case. A young man has been languishing in prison for over 12 years on the basis of a confession that should never have been admitted in evidence against him. Languishing in prison for over 12